we will solve one more question of a linked list, which is odd even linked list. In this question, first you just have to order the list in such a way that first it will contain odd numbers and then it will even numbers. Okay, so there is in 1 2 3 4 5. First you have to put the odd numbers 1 3 5, and after that, after the completing of odd number, you just have to put the even numbers, okay, in a linked list. So you can do it through, first you have to put the condition if head, if not head or head का next, if it is as null, you just have to return head. Okay, after that you just have to create a list node of two type, which is one odd and even. Okay, so first create list node star odd, which is pointing to the head, and same list node even, which is pointing to the head ka next. Okay, so and also you have to create list node star new head, which is pointing to the even of the list, that this which I created earlier. Okay, and then I had just put a loop while even and even ka next. Okay, after that you just have to put odd ka next is equals to even ka next, and odd equals to odd ka next. Okay, and even ka next equals to odd ka next. Okay, and move forward the even pointer, even equals to even ka next. Okay, after that you just have to move odd ka next is equals to new head which I created earlier, and in last you just this is a list node type function, so you just have to return the list node which is head. So just run it whether it is running properly or not. List node, okay, capital N. Let's run it again. Yeah, this code is working properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, this is submitted. Thank you for watching.